For Action News, I'm Anna Dulosky. We've taken the food babe to task many times in the past for her charade, posing as a credible science-based source, when really she's nothing more than a metaphor for anti-science hype and fear. That's according to columnist James Fell. The Chicago Tribune fitness columnist discusses the negative impact the food babe has on public health, from her anti-vaccine stance to anti-GMOs. And let's not forget her distaste for chemicals. The food babe believes, quote, "There is just no acceptable level of any chemical to ingest, ever." So according to the food babe, we shouldn't digest dihydrogen monoxide either. But if we all followed her advice, we'd all be dead in just a few days. Here's ACTIA's Director of Public Health, Ariel Savransky, with more.
If we think about how many people die as a result of food poisoning, when that is expanded to consider foodborne illnesses as well, that number is about 3,000. So then we're going to compare that to the food babe, who has an audience of millions. I mean, her Facebook page has somewhere around 1 million followers. But if we think about the impact that she can have by pushing certain messages that can actually be really harmful to society, the reality is that, she can indirectly almost cause more deaths than food poisoning and foodborne illness combined. She advocates that no chemicals at all are safe for human consumption. But then we think about water, which the columnist brings up, dihydrogen monoxide. That's a chemical. We need water to survive, although too much water could have detrimental consequences. And then she's anti-vaccine, so she's, advocating against the flu shot, which there's really no downside to getting the flu shot. And given that people die every year from the flu, getting the flu shot really does have the potential to save lives. So this is a very interesting column to read, and the columnist really brings up some interesting points.
To read the entire story, you can head to our website, actia.org, and while you're there, don't forget to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered straight to your inbox. For Action News, I'm Anna Dulosky.